Good days. And first of all, I would like to apologize in my channel that I given reuse from my monetization. So sorry for that. Then I will not do again if I have been mistaken in my channel. So sorry. And I promise I will make my video that for my personality, and I upload also the original my video. Ayan. Thank you and sorry for that, ma'am or sir. I hope you can understand my situation in my channel. So sorry for that. Thank you so much for giving my time to answer your. If I mistaken again, I will not do. This is my first time that I have reuse in my channel. So million of sorry. You can give my time, and I apologize for that. Sorry.